Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Canva mobile app, only way. Open the app, sign in, and tap Create to start your first design. Begin with a template or blank canvas, then add images from your camera roll or Canva library. Use the toolbar to insert text, stickers, and shapes, and drag elements to arrange layers. Tap Export to save or share your finished design quickly and easily. Tap any element to edit its size, position, or rotation using simple gestures and on-screen controls. Use the toolbar to change fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment for professional results. Explore effects and adjust to enhance photos with filters, brightness, and contrast adjustments. When working with multiple pieces, group them to move or scale together, and use pinch gestures to zoom for fine-tuned placement and perfect alignment across your layout. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials and short how-tos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy voice control, good sound, and hands-free music while you design. It pairs nicely with mobile workflows and keeps your phone free for tapping and swiping. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When your design looks great, tap Export and pick a file type such as PNG, JPG, or MP4 for animated content. Adjust resolution and quality settings if you need a smaller file for web or higher quality for print. Use the share link to collaborate with teammates or send an editable copy for feedback. Save directly to your device or post to social apps right from Canva for quick publishing and streamlined workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.